To transfer funds from Gcash to PayPal, you need to have a verified Gcash account and a PayPal account. First, ensure your Gcash account is fully verified to avoid any transaction limits. Next, go to the Gcash mobile app, click on the profile icon, and select My Linked Accounts. If you do not see your PayPal account linked, you will need to add it by selecting Link an Account and then choosing PayPal. You will be redirected to the PayPal website where you will need to log into your account and authorize the linking. After successfully linking your PayPal account, go back to the Gcash dashboard and click on the Cash In or Cash Out option. Select Cash Out and then choose PayPal as the destination. Enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure it is within the allowed transaction limits. Review the transfer details, including the amount and any applicable fees, before confirming the transaction. It is essential to note that transfer fees and exchange rates may apply, and the transfer may take a few minutes to a few hours to complete, depending on the PayPal system. To avoid any issues, ensure your PayPal account is active and can receive funds. It is also crucial to keep your Gcash and PayPal accounts updated with the correct information to avoid any transfer errors. Additionally, always check the current exchange rates and fees before making a transfer to get the best value for your money. By following these steps, you can easily transfer funds from your Gcash account to your PayPal account, providing you with a convenient way to manage your finances and make online transactions. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your account information confidential to protect your funds.